In this video, we listed the 5 best enclosed 3D printers that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FlashForge Adventurer for 3D Printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 4 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for versatility and precision. It features a heated build plate that can reach temperatures up to 110 degrees Celsius (230 degrees Fahrenheit), an auto-leveling platform with an aluminum base, and a magnetic removable build platform for convenience. With a print volume of 220 by 200 by 250 mm, 8.7 by 7.9 by 9.8 inches, and a precision of plus or minus 0.1 mm, it ensures accurate and detailed prints. The printer is compatible with a variety of materials, including PLA, PETG, ABS, PC, PLACF, and PETG-CF, and supports nozzle diameters of 0.4 mm, default, with optional 0.3 mm and 0.6 mm nozzles available. The fully enclosed printing chamber, combined with a HEPA 13H air filter system, provides a safe and clean printing environment. Additionally, the Adventurer 4 offers remote management capabilities for increased efficiency and scalability, making it suitable for both individual users and production-scale applications. It is built with a sturdy aluminum frame and weighs 44 pounds, with dimensions of 19.69 inches by 18.5 inches by 21.26 inches. Number 2. QIDI Plus for 3D Printer. The QIDI Technology X Plus for 3D Printer is a high-performance device designed for both professionals and beginners, offering a large print size of 12 by 12 by 11 inches and high-speed Core XY structure for efficient and fast printing. It features a second-generation active chamber heating system with 400W ultra-high heating power, dual-layer insulation, and air circulation designed to ensure consistent chamber temperatures, reducing warping and cracking for high-quality prints. Equipped with an upgraded 80W high-temperature hot end and multi-metal integrated throat nozzle, it supports a wide range of high-temp filaments like PPSCF, PPACF, GF, ABS, ASA, PC, PA, and PET, making it suitable for diverse applications. The printer is user-friendly, allowing setup in just 10 minutes, with remote printing, real-time monitoring via an HD camera, and intelligent features like filament wrap and break detection. Built for durability, it includes a dual motor-driven Z-axis, a robust aluminum hotbed platform, and upgraded linear shafts for enhanced strength and precision. Additionally, the X Plus 4 supports multicolor printing with its integrated filament cutter and compatibility with the QIDI box, to be launched in 2025, enabling personalized designs. Number 3. FlashForge 3D Printer. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M is an advanced 3D printer designed for efficiency, precision, and user convenience. Supporting a wide range of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PLACF, and PETG-CF, with PC, ASA requiring an enclosed enclosure, this printer offers exceptional versatility. Its one-click automatic printing feature ensures perfect bed leveling and consistent adhesion, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. With a Core XY structure, a travel speed of 600 mm per second, and 20,000 mm s² acceleration, it delivers 12x ultra-fast printing, making it ideal for rapid prototyping and mass production. The printer boasts smart features like quick nozzle changes, high-flow nozzles, dual-sided PEI platforms for easy print removal, and a rapid warm-up time of just 35 seconds to 200 degrees Celsius. Enhanced with dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, multiple nozzle sizes, 0.25 to 0.8 mm, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, it ensures superior print quality and adaptability for intricate details and fast prototypes. Additionally, the real-time Flash Maker mobile app allows users to monitor progress, adjust parameters, and receive alerts remotely, enabling seamless and intelligent operation. Compact yet powerful, the Adventurer 5M is an excellent choice for creative projects and professional applications. Number 4. Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. The Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer is a user-friendly and innovative device designed for convenience and efficiency. It features a quick-change nozzle system that allows users to replace the nozzle in seconds without any tools, saving time and effort compared to traditional 3D printers. The printer comes with a heated, flexible, and removable build plate, making it easy to remove models and start new prints immediately by swapping plates. It supports auto-leveling and arrives fully calibrated, with the option to adjust the nozzle-to-bed distance via a touchscreen interface. The auto-feeding filament system simplifies filament loading, while a built-in sensor detects low filament levels and pauses prints until reloaded. The printer is compatible with Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux operating systems. For additional resources, users can visit the Monoprice website to download the latest software and manual for the Voxel, part number 33820. Number 5. FlashForge 3D Printer. The FlashForge Creator Pro 2 is a 3D printer featuring independent dual direct drive extruders, allowing for various printing modes and the use of two spools of material simultaneously. With a sturdy metal frame, acrylic covers, and an optimized build platform, it's designed for reliability and precision. It supports materials like polylactic acid, PLA, and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, ABS, and is black in color. However, it is currently unavailable and there is no information on when or if it will be back in stock. It has product dimensions of 15.7 inch dx 21.6, wx 18.8 h and an item weight of 15 kilograms.